All right, so this is how you do this review. I have linked in here the document to do the to help you out with this treble clef. So let's open that up as well. Okay, so this is showing you all of the note names and where they are at right here. This is all you need to complete this review. So you take a look here and you take a look at specifically where is the circle part of the note. The circle part of the note tells you where the pitch is. If that's higher, then the pitch is higher. And if it's lower, then the pitch is lower. So this one is right up there above. And you also need to notice it is on the treble clef. So this is right above the treble clef on that space above, right? There's no line going through it. So it's on the space above. So I need to come over here to this one and search for my space above. Okay, double check that it's right. Space above, that is correct. So the first one of number one would be a G. And I take a look here. This one is on that line above, the first ledger line above the staff. I find it right there, treble clef, ledger line above. That one is an A. Okay. And I see that it's the same there. Yep. Double checking myself as I go. This next one, I see it's on the above the staff. That one is a G. So that one would be a G right there for this one. All right, and now I put this little vertical line. That's the enter key plus the, no, not the enter key, shift plus the key right above the enter are the vertical lines. All right, now I take a look. This is on the second space. Okay, so the way I do the ones on the staff, second space, I know that the spaces spell out face starting from the bottom one to the top. So F-A-C-E. That's how we always do the notes as well, from the bottom to the top. So F-A is the second one. Double check that it's in the same place. Yep, it is. So my answer here is A. That one is on the same spot. And then this one is below the staff. If it's above or below the staff, then I kind of need to go back here for the reference. So right below the staff, that one is a D. So that one is a D right there. Next one is the same one. That one is also D. This one is on the ledger line below the staff. All right, that one is middle C. The way that I've seen some people do it is with an MC for middle C. And I actually kind of like that. If you just leave it as a plain C, that is also correct because this is AC. It is the middle C, but it is also AC. Not AC as in the letter A, but it's a C. All right, and then we have the next one. That one is on the same spot as those D's. Then we have that one. We want to make sure that we put the vertical line here. All right, so the bottom line of the staff, that is the first word of Elvis's guitar broke down Friday. So that first one is an E. All right, and then we also have next up, here in a minute. Next up is the third space. So that's F-A-C, the third letter of the word face, C, and then C. So notice that these are C's, these are high C's, and this is a low C, but they are, it's also a C. Okay, so if I sing it, be low C, middle C, high C. Okay, and they line up very particularly, which is why they have the same letter name. You play them together, sing them together, and they sound good together. All right. That is an example of how you go back and forth and do all of those together. That's the end of this lecture.